Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix the Explorer.exe is not working on Windows 10 or 11. So steps will be same for Windows 10 and 11 operating system. So first step you need to try is you need to press on your physical keyboard Control Shift and Escape key together. And once you press Control Shift and Escape key together, you should able to open your task manager. If you are able to see your task manager right here, you can simply right click and open task manager. If the shortcut is not working, we can also press Windows plus R key to open this run command and type here task mgr and press OK, and you should be able to open the task manager here. Once you see it, you need to click on run new task and make sure process is selected. If that is selected like this, you should not able to get the run new task option. Select the processes, then click on run new task, and here you need to type here Explorer.exe, and you need to run this task as administrator. And once you run it, your Windows.exe will be restarted, and you should able to fix the issue. If this is not working for you, what you can do is you can open the cmd as admin and you need to hit these two commands one by one. First you need to type this command and thereafter you need to run this command. Once this command is completed, you need to run this command, and once the both command are completed successfully, you need to restart your Windows. So you can restart your Windows. If this search bar is also not working in your case, again open the task manager by same options and go to run new task and type as cmd and run this task as admin, and task manager cmd should able to open by the task manager, and hit these two commands. And once you hit these two commands, you have to restart your Windows. So either you can go with here restarting, or you can go with the command shutdown space slash r space slash t and 0, and this will instantly restart your Windows and you should able to fix your issue now. If this option is also not working for you, that could cause the higher level issue, and we can check it on the registry editor. Open registry editor as administrator here. If the search bar is not working, again open the task manager and type here reg edit, run this task as admin, and let's open it now. And once you open it, you need to go to this directory: HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, and current version. HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows. HKey local machine, software, then Microsoft, and then you need to look for Windows NT in a W series. Make sure you carefully follow these steps, especially the registry one, current version. And once you see the current version here, you need to go to WinLogon. Again in a W series, here is WinLogon, this option, and on the right hand side look for shell option. Okay, this is the shell option here, and make sure Explorer.exe is selected here like this. If anything is written the wrong here, you need to make sure Explorer.exe is showing up here. Then restart your Windows and your issue will be fixed. I hope guys these solutions works for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.